Over the past 3 years, I've been developing what I believe to be the best TradingView algorithm, indicator, whatever you want to call it, that is out there. Now, this is the result of years and years of testing, reiteration, finding what works, working with multiple different coding teams to try to make the most accurate TradingView algorithm. So in this video, instead of just telling you guys what this algorithm does, we're gonna go and backtest this algorithm across Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and some other meme coins that I'm currently looking at. Now, the indicator that we're gonna be going over is EzAlgo. This bundle comes with 3 separate indicators, but in this video, we're just gonna go over the main EzAlgo trading indicator. This comes with access to my pro community. So if you guys want access, be sure to click the first link in the description below. So for this video, we're gonna be testing the accumulation signals. Now, the accumulation signals are these gold triangles here that you see. Now, these signals tell you when you should start to buy back into the market, tell you when to start buying spot or low leverage long positions. Now, we do have other signals in this algorithm as well. We have the bull signals, which are slightly different from these. You're going to see a little bit more with the bull signals. Of course, we have the bear signals. The trend signals will either show bull or bear depending on the trend. And then of course we have the accumulation. Now, a lot of people think that buy and sell signals don't work. We're going to put that to the test. I would disagree. The signals on EzAlgo, I would argue you can follow if you're on a high enough time frame with no other confluences and just set up some sort of automation or set up alerts on TradingView. To start, we're going to go to a daily time frame. These signals were meant for a daily time frame. You can go to lower time frame as well, 12-hour, 8-hour, but a 4-hour and above time frame. But for the highest accuracy and the highest likelihood of the trade going our way, we want to go to a higher time frame. Like I said, anytime you get a golden accumulation signal, this is telling you to start building a position in this currency or in this asset. So if we're on Bitcoin, it's telling us, okay, the local bottom is probably pretty close here. Let's start to dollar cost average back into the market or enter low leverage long positions. Now, another way you could use these signals is whenever you get a daily accumulation buy signal on BTC, you can start looking for positions on altcoins, okay? Because if BTC goes up 10x, altcoins are going to go up 20 to 30x, right? So again, you can use these signals for a variety of different reasons, but we're going to go backtest from as far back as we can. And by the way, these signals are non-repaint. If I go into replay mode, you will be able to see that. These are non-repaint. They don't appear after the fact. They appear in real time. And you can see the signal is loading on this candle and confirms on candle closure. Okay, so the first accumulation buy signal here on BTC occurred at around $500, right? At around $500. And obviously, you know, price went up exponentially because this was so early, right? So yeah, the first signal was at $500. Let's see, we had another accumulation buy signal here on the EzAlgo indicator at around, what is that, $3,700. Again, that went up, you know, exponential. This is very early stages in the bull market, right? This is 2017, but you can see here from this accumulation buy to the top, you know, up 500%. Again, price comes back down, and here we go. We have another accumulation buy signal here, dollar cost averaging. Goes up a little bit. These signals won't always catch the exact bottom, but over a long enough time period, you know, you're getting an average buy price of, what is this? Let's say 6,500 and then an average of 6,000. So your average buy-in price here is $6,000 in this bear market, which is much better than most market participants would get, right? So again, you know, your dollar cost averaging in spot, getting an average around here. We get another accumulation buy. We didn't get this drop here on the daily, which is unfortunate. I thought the algo would pick up this one, but we got this one at around 7,200. Let's keep it pushing, move up. Okay, during the midpoint of the previous bull market, we got an accumulation buy here on the daily time frame right at that local bottom before price pushed up to new all-time highs. Here's where things get a little bit tricky, right? We did call some of the local bottoms here, but unfortunately Bitcoin kept dumping. So let's say these two signals were misses, right? These two signals are misses. We'll say this one is a miss as well. So we had 3 losing technically, but again, you're just building a position. Your average entry is gonna be somewhere around 35,000. And then you get these 2 signals, right? One which literally caught the absolute bottom here at around 15K. This one at around 20K. So your average price here is probably around 22K, right? Around 22, maybe let's say 25K average price here between all these signals when you're dollar cost averaging. That turned out to be a really good buy-in price. We got a final signal here at around 25K before the inevitable bull market going up multiple hundreds of percents. And then even recently here on the daily time frame, we were getting those bull signals, right? Telling us that it is a good time to start loading our Bitcoin bags or start loading our altcoin bag. So that is it on Bitcoin. Let's go down to a 12-hour time frame to see if the signals are more or less accurate here on a 12-hour time frame. So less signals here on the 12-hour. We have these two pretty much calling the local bottom here. Okay, let's go check out Ethereum on Coinbase now. Again, we're going to start on a daily time frame. So yeah, Ethereum has definitely been a little bit more difficult. These signals were intended for BTC. Let's go all the way back to the start. Some accumulation buys on Ethereum at around $10. Obviously, we're not counting those. We had another accumulation buy here at around, what is that, $250. Some more accumulation buys here, right? Dollar cost averaging at around 800, 600, at 180, 175. So you're getting a really good average price with these accumulation signals here at the bottom for Ethereum before that run up. Even this one right here, you know, almost 200%. This one right here, okay, almost 200%. Okay, this would be a missed signal. Okay, so another losing signal. On a long enough time frame, these signals will be around 100% accurate. There are instances like this where you're going to get a daily buy and price goes up and immediately drops below, and you won't see signals on the daily below. On a long enough time frame, I do believe this 3K buy-in is going to be a good level for Ethereum before it pushes to 8, 9, 10K. Okay, let's check out Solana now on a daily time frame. Solana is looking really bullish. Yeah, and the algo has done a phenomenal job here on Solana, about calling the absolute bottom here at around, what is that, $30. Let's see, $15. You're getting an average price of around $20. So you're up around 10x from those bear market buys. And even here, a little bit more of a late entry, but we did get that one-day buy at around $90. So up over 100% on that daily buy as well. Let's go down to a 12-hour time frame. See if there are any other signals here on Solana. I don't believe there are. Okay, yeah, a few more here on a 12-hour time frame. Literally calling the bottom, guys, giving you a really good average entry price, literally calling all the way back at $15. So yeah, the algo has been crushing on Solana. Take a look at Doge on the daily time frame. You can see it is just absolutely crushed on the Dogecoin. If we scroll all the way back here to 2020, it gave us the bottom when price was less than a penny. So let's see just how high this went up. From the first accumulation buy signal on Dogecoin, it went up around 430x. Okay, so you put in 1,000, that'll be 430x. Of course, that's a little bit unrealistic. No one really knew what Dogecoin was way back then. But even still, if you take the most recent price action, it's giving us these buy signals during the bear market, giving us a really good average price, probably below 10 cents, maybe around 7 cents, and Dogecoin is starting to go again. So again, just to show you guys on altcoins as well, you want to use this algorithm on a daily time frame, set alerts on your TradingView. We also have alerts inside of the Pro Discord. Now for take profits, we unfortunately don't have a strong take profit signal like the accumulation buys yet, but a simple way to take profit is to just take profit at the recent highs. So for example, you take profit 1 here and take profit 2 at these highs, and then leave a runner for the all-time highs, or you can just target all-time highs if you really believe in the project. I want to show you one more example on Pepe USD. I actually called this in advance inside of the free mastermind. We had the first ever accumulation buy signal on Pepe, and as you can see, it literally gave the bottom. We call this in the free mastermind, and went up literally 200%, 3x in less than a week. So again, just another more recent example of these signals. Now, these signals are to be used as confluence at the end of the day, but in my opinion, they are so powerful, especially on BTC, that you can use these almost exclusively to help you buy back into the market. Most people don't make money in cryptocurrency because they enter when the bull market is almost over. They enter near the top and they aren't able to capitalize off of all of these gains. But if you have this trading algorithm, you can actually start building positions over the bear market, start dollar cost averaging before the masses to get a really good entry. That is how you are able to get these 5, 10, 20x returns in the cryptocurrency markets. You have to buy when no one else is buying. Now, I won't get into exactly what this algorithm entails in terms of the conditions behind these signals. There are a lot that goes into it, including our own rendition of the Bollinger Bands, different metrics to measure overbought versus oversold, as well as retail sentiment. So a lot goes into these signals. You don't have to worry about that. All you have to worry about is loading this on your chart and making money. If you guys want access to this trading algorithm for yourself, as well as my own personal setups, analysis, weekly live streams, and more, then click the first link in the description below. That's it for me. I'll see you guys next video.